Hi everyone, I'm building Be With Me, an emotional AI companion designed to bridge the gap between memory and reality. Losing a loved one is a universal pain, but their voices shouldn't have to vanish. Be With Me allows users to upload a tiny fragment of a person's voice and interact with a digital version of them that not only talks like them but remembers like them. It's about preserving legacy through technology. So what makes Be With Me unique? Zero shot emotional cloning. Unlike traditional TTS, we can clone a voice with just a 5-second sample, capturing the unique warmth and tonality. Privacy-first agent architecture. We don't just generate text, we've built a full agentic workflow that manages long-term emotional memory. Decentralized persistence. By integrating Web3 and IPFS, we ensure that these digital legacies are immutable and owned truly by the users, not stored on a central server that could be deleted. So this is our whole architecture of our system. And let's look at the live demo. Okay, be with me. So this is our login page, a Web3 account. You can just log in with your Web3 wallet, or you will do email registry first, and then you can use that. So I just use wallet login. And for each person, we will have these tabs. First of all, family relationship verification. So as I just said, Be With Me is a project for people to memorize their parents, their friends. So the privacy is our first question. So we can see here why is verification required, and we need to maybe declare relationship, upload documents, and after the administrators review your application, then you can copy their sounds, their voices, and then to make their own agent. So this is our first page for family verification. And you can just start your verification through your name, relative's name, and your relation tab. Next up, you will need to upload some documents that can verify your relationships. And then it's our voice cloning. When we clone our voice, we should first choose a relationship, and then the voice name and your audio file. You can also upload an MP4, and we will just abstract the voice from it. So look at the right side for the cloned voices. Our system will provide you 21 system voices. So this is the system voices, and you can just choose one to test and delete it. And for yourselves, when you have uploaded your voices, you can generate one of tests here. Let's check our test output. And after recreating our voice cloning, we can go to the digital agent. We can create our agent and maybe for name, for relationship, and I think the personality traits are the most interesting part. So you can describe their traits, maybe kind, patient. Our agent will try to monitor their sounds, their voices, their accents. And here you can choose your voice. Maybe those are system provided, and these are yours. And after we create an agent, so we can go to the phone call. This is our hit point. When we choose it, we will go to our digital agent, and we can call it. Hi, I'm just missing so much. So we can see message to our parents maybe, and then we will got our reply. And for user profile, you can find our parents, relatives, and our account settings maybe, and our statistics. And this is our page for customers. So our system is designed with blockchain and IPFS to make sure the data of our customers won't be altered, won't be deleted. So this is our main point. And also, as I said, I just fine-tune some models. And we use WNB Weave to trace every conversation, ensuring the agent's emotional alignment stays true to the personal. Be with me is our step toward a future where no one has to say a final goodbye. The code is fully open source on my GitHub, organized in a clean modular structure for anyone to contribute. So thank you for your time and thank you to the open source community for the models that made this possible.